Welcome back. Changing the style of your bullet points in PowerPoint is a quick way to make your slides look more polished and organized. So first you need to highlight the bulleted list and then click on the home, and in the paragraph group you need to click down the small arrow and select the choice of your bullet. However, if you want to use a unique icon like match your brand color or adjust the scale of your bullet points, you can access the deeper customization menu. For this you need to click on this drop down menu, click on the bullets and numbering, and now click on this customize, and in the font section you need to select the wingdings, and for example you have selected this bullet. Click OK to apply and change the color of the bullets. For example, you want to choose red color, and you can scale out the size. If you want a bigger size, you need to increase the size to 150, and if you want a small size you need to decrease the size, for example 75, and then click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can change bullet style in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.